welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Gogo and I am teaching you to learn Python coding. Today I'd like to teach you about a different IDE called PyCharm. So first go to your Chrome or Safari and go and search PyCharm, and it'll show you a few options like this. Click download PyCharm. It'll show you PyCharm Professional, which is the one that you have to pay with. If you scroll down, it'll show you the PyCharm Community Edition, which is the free version of PyCharm. Then you click download and it'll make a new file and start downloading. After it finishes downloading, click over there and it'll show you this. Open it and it'll tell you to drag to applications. Drag to the applications. I already have it downloaded, so it won't. Then it'll ask you for your password, and then if you go to your launchpad and search PyCharm, it'll show up and you can open it. So then it'll open, and I already have one file that you want. So go to file or new project over here. Then it'll ask you what the name of the project should be. And where the location should be. So now I'll put Python codes. Choose your environment as Conda, and we could need this. So then create it, and it'll create your environment, and it'll have this code ready. So the differences between PyCharm and IDLE are that PyCharm has its shell right over here, while IDLE has the shell on a different tab. You put your code in this, and the ways to run it are either by clicking it over here or over here. So you can also then over here, it'll show you all your codes over here, all your files and products. Here it says main because which files it's going to run. If you change it to current file, it'll show, I preferably use current file because if I am on a different file which has different code and it's set on main, then it'll run the main code, main.py code, instead of the file that I'm on. It's useful for when you have many other files over here. To add a new file or code, we have to go to file over here, and it'll show you. Click on it, and once you click on new, this should come. It'll show you what type of file you want, if you want a Python package or a directory. So if you want to make a code, we click on Python file, give the Python file a name. Let's just say code 1. Enter, and it'll show you this blank place where you can write your code. So in PyCharm, you can also add breakpoints, which is when you go and see the line number, and if there's a mistake in your code, a bug, then you go and find out where it is, or it'll show you which file it is in the console because it'll show you the error, and then you can, if there's something wrong over here, click on the number of it, and it'll become red. Okay, then when you run it, okay, and then you stop it. It will somewhere, over here it will show you what is wrong in that place, if there's something wrong in that place. So if you want to, you can continue using your IDLE, but if you want to change to using PyCharm, you can also use PyCharm. Both of them can do the codes, and it's your choice which one you want to use. I would like to use PyCharm, but you can use whatever you would like. Bye, and see you next video. Please like, subscribe and share, because it will really motivate me to teach you more.